Okay, everybody.
Hey guys, this is the first memorial shoot for Leatherman Wayne Menti, one of our shooters that passed away in November. You all got one of these bandanas, and if anybody has not signed it yet, this will be going to his widow as memory for him. And the little logos on it, for memory, you know, his life and when he was born, when he died. This is kind of a fun thing. It's not really any money going to him, but we want to try the memory of Leatherman Wayne. Everybody that did know him was a good guy. All the scenarios written today have something to do with him. Okay, some of the scenarios, some of the actual sweeps are renamed, so they may be familiar to you as another name, but don't say, hey, that's actually a, you know, don't worry about that. Just go with the flow and just listen to the procedure. They're not going to be that hard. Okay, safety. Everyone is a safety officer. If you see anyone practicing unsafe gun behavior or see an unsafe condition, speak up or bring it to a range officer's attention. Dawn, me, or Rosewood. Gambler. Yep. All firearms will remain unloaded except at loading table and firing line. No one should be walking around with a loaded firearm. All competitors and spectators are required to wear eye and ear protection. At loading table and firing line, rifles must be hammered down on an empty chamber. Shotguns must have action open and empty until ready to shoot. Long guns will have their action open at the conclusion of each shooting string and while being carried at the range with muzzles up always. Bulldog James had mentioned that there's a re-revision on the deal. If you lay your shotgun down or your rifle down and it closes to proceed, that is no longer in effect. You must make it safe. Leave it open. So you have to go back and reopen it.
If you don't open it up and continue on,
right?
And if it proves to be loaded, or even on the dead cartridge, you're going to incur a -8.
Right. And if it is a loaded cartridge, it's a...
Then you're looking at a matching.
Right. Handguns may only be loaded at the loading table or firing line and will be loaded with 5 rounds, and hammer must be on an empty chamber or spent cartridge. Handguns are to be kept holstered except when on the firing line in a safe area or at shooter's vehicle. A dropped unloaded gun is a staged disqualification. A dropped loaded gun is a match disqualification. A dropped gun on the firing line from the loading table until guns a dropped gun on the firing line from the loading table until guns are cleared at the unloading table will not be picked up by the shooter. A range officer will recover it, examine it, clear it, and return to the shooter. Remember the 170-degree safety rule, that's side to side, up and down. If you break the 170-degree safety rule, it could result in a match disqualification. A shot over the berm will result in a match disqualification. Sweeping anybody with a loaded firearm will result in a match DQ. Sweeping anyone with an unloaded firearm will result in a stage DQ. Any 2 stage DQs is a match DQ. Dropped or ejected ammo is considered dead and will not be recovered until the shooter completes the course of fire. Staged ammo dropped back where it was staged, like on the table. Ammo safely placed on a prop by the shooter is not considered dead. All guns must be cleared at unloading table by the preceding shooter before returning guns to cart. You get done shooting, go to the unloading table and remain there. Clear your guns and remain there for the next shooter. Don't go to your cart or chat with somebody. Stay at the unloading table. Any questions? Concise. Good. I guess we did it right.
Okay, and we still do have some fairly new shooters, even though they were here last month. Let's help them out as much as we can still, okay?
Yeah, we got Cowboy Kid and his dad. What is your...
Timber Killer.
Timber Killer, Vaquero Jack.
And our new one that hasn't been back in a
For
while.
A long time, Scattergun
Stranger. I'll take care of him.
Yeah. By the way, you have to return your going away present. No.
All right, stage 1 will be down on the right-hand side down there. Everybody head down.
We do have 5 full. Way back in the day, Frosty Bill brought his pard Leatherman Wayne to watch our sport of cowboy action shooting. Leatherman was intrigued. After leaving, they discussed Leatherman joining in the fun. Since there was only one match left for the year, Leatherman had to come up with some guns fast. He talked to his buddy Jerry and a couple other pards and came up with everything he needed. Frosty checked in on him a couple weeks later at his home front. Leatherman's better half tore Frosty a new one. You know how much him getting into this is gonna cost me? Leatherman told him, Frosty, that's all right. I just bought her a new electronic box for looking things up. Donna didn't have much more to say about the guns.
And after talking to Donna, she said she got Packer shares out of the deal too. So I'm pretty excited.
Yep. Okay, starting position next to the horse. Either side, depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed. Shotgun staged on horse, open and empty. Pistols loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered. Rifle at port arms. With the rifle held at port arms, signify ready by saying, you know how much this is going to cost me? At the beep, engage the rifle targets in a Leatherman sweep. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Engage the 2 bonus chickens with the remaining 2 rounds. Misses do not count as misses, but hits are a 5-second bonus.
Wait a minute, you said 5 cents bonus.
5 cents.
Well, you need hearing aids.
No, I really can't say that.
Make rifle safe on horse and action open. Draw first pistol and shoot pistol targets 5 on 2. You have to shoot at both targets
With each pistol.
but 5 on both targets with each pistol. So you can put 4 and 1, and then other one 5 or 4 and 1. Follow? Or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want to do that.
With each pistol, you have to engage both targets
Right.
at least once.
Draw a second pistol, repeat 5 on 2. Holster, grab shotgun and engage the shotgun target still down, stage complete.
Does that mean?
Yes, you can put 4 and 1, then 4 and then 1.
Okay, so you gotta have. Next to it.
Counters, 1, 2, 3.
We start loading at this one?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Port arms. See your line, I'll give you a standby.
You know what this is gonna cost me?
Standby.
Put your glasses on.
2, 9, 3, 4, and 2.
Loading?
This is, you know what this is gonna cost me?
Got it
Standby.
down in the deep hole.
And I'm after scabbing.
Come over here.
Let's put the hammer down. These there's a. We don't load it, Fred?
Chickens. You got money, you got
I got
bullets
some more
left in there, pop them chickens.
I'll step in.
Oh, there you go, you're gonna eat tonight.
Down the pistol, huh?
Quite a while. Okay.
Frosty has. Good there. Shotgun's good. Good. Didn't even get the. No, didn't line up right.
Got 'em.
Safely take these up.
6, 1, 6, 7.
She saw about the first 4.
Oh, okay, good. You notice that I took all the timbers out of there?
You know how much this is gonna cost me?
Stand by. I went out that morning about 7:15. It's like, oh, somebody was here this morning.
Yeah, that was me.
quiet.
Yeah, that was the idea, because you might be sad or be busy, so I thought, well, go inside and go outside.
Be in bed or
Good job.
Put any powder in them loads?
Well, sometimes I
Oh,
forget.
pistol. Take the one out of there. This one. Now a shotgun.
Yeah, I heard, no, he skipped one.
I think I got the situation squared away now.
and 2 bonus.
Okay. Understand the course of fire.
You know how much this is gonna cost me?
Stand by. Okay. 33.
Breathe, random drifter, breathe.
Even.
Any idea how much this is going to cost me?
Stand by.
I'll let you watch it.
Every once in a while my heart races and it starts to go right now.
4650.
Sleepy Cat Rider shooting, Timber Killer loading.
You know how much this is gonna cost me?
Okay, stand by.
I was just going to tell you to move over.
I'm sorry. You don't miss this anymore? Huh? You don't miss running this anymore?
I do a little bit, yeah. Now that I'm back,
Pistol. 5 on 2.
I had some errands I had to take care of, otherwise I would have been here. People getting here early for selling stuff. Yep. It's a nice
We're
way
to
to
look in
live
to
thing.
see what's for sale.
Shotgun.
Shotgun.
Got malfunctioned now. The boy's done malfunction, you know that one.
Okay. Good. Good to go.
3850, 1 minute. Really? Yeah, I have one. I got a new job?
Yep.
Okay,
Everybody come closer because you're going to have to look to where the targets are.
Not at Pierce, huh?
No.
If you notice, there's only 5 targets out here. There's 3 that are closer. So the 2 pistol, I'm going to actually go out there. Right.
Downrange.
This one, and that one are your pistol targets. This one, the middle one, and this one are your rifle targets. Okay, so when I say 3 closest, I mean these 3. The 3 farthest are these 3.
How did that go?
Alright. Most of us remember Leatherman as a great guy, and those of you that have never met him really missed out. From artistic work with leather to his helpful and friendly ways, he will always be remembered. You're standing in the doorway with hands-on pistols, loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered. Rifle loaded with 10 rounds and staged on table in doorway. Shotgun staged in left window, open and empty. So you're standing in the doorway with your hands on the pistol, signify ready by saying, "This is for you, Leatherman." At the beep, draw first pistol and engage the 3 closest targets in an Indiana sweep. So 2-2, which would be your middle target, and then 1-2-3. Repeat with your second pistol. 2-2, 1-2-3. Grab rifle and engage the 3 farthest targets in an Indiana sweep twice. 2-2, 1-2-3. 2-2, 1-2-3. With number 2 always being that middle target. Make rifle safe on table, move to left window, and engage shotgun targets until down. Any questions? There are 4 shotgun targets. They're going to beat me with that towel or something.
to give you a beat?
No. All right.
Here, get here.
4, 3, 6, 8, and 3.
43, 68, and 3.
Stand by. Middle. Except for the miss, repeat it.
I kind of got interested in it, so I had the shotgun.
Middle. 2 on the right, 2 on the left. Middle.
So travel's not a problem.
Travel is not a problem. It's
Well, I think
and work and all that stuff.
Left diamond.
More or less a hobby farm, but I do quite a bit of
Okay. So some people like to handle them. Well,
Right diamond. 2 on the center. Left diamond. Center.
I own a small
Right diamond.
family farm one.
Thank you, empty.
There's only about
Shotgun.
40 acre field, but only 25 of them are towable because it's kind of low. And I just rented to my neighbor, and I got 30 acres.
Kind of fun watching. Yeah.
Got him.
Just got some practice in there.
8708 and 1. Yeah.
4 inches of crack out. Hey man, you're a real plumber.
Concentration over there.
Yep.
Last shooter,
I think he's in a zone.
but certainly not last.
Smile, Rosewood.
Or least or something. You missed me, didn't you?
Yeah.
All right, who wants to spot Rosewood? One.
I want everybody to spot. What the hell?
Yeah, we got it. And we got it. Ish. So we're 7. All right.
This one's for you, Leatherman.
All right, stand by. Mm-hmm. Pistols were not working.
Bad primers.
He had that last week or last month too.
Thought so. Yeah.
How do I do it?
That's the way I want it.
37.56. 37.56.
Yeah.
This is for you, Leatherman.
Stand by.
Oh, there's a couple things.
Why you're not camera shy? Oh, that's right.
Go up.
Five, 7. Counters. You gonna count for your wife?
Oh,
You're brave.
That's right.
I will.
1, 2, 3.
That's okay.
Yeah.
20. I just thought I'd give you a little information from somebody with experience in this matter.
Sounds good.
Yeah, 20 misses and 2 penalties.
Shooter, say your line.
This one's for you, Leatherman.
Stand by.
Uncle Brock,
Try this again.
Sunrise Rider, she's up.
She's up.
Uncle Brock and Scattergun.
Right here. Oh, it will. Okay, right over here.
I got 4 in a piece.
Yeah,
that's
4, 7, 3, 2.
Yeah, I'll get you your 20s in a minute.
Hands on the pistol, say your line, I'll give you standby.
What's the line? It was, this is for you, Leatherman.
Stand by. This bud's for you.
Oh, okay. I didn't know the rest of the day. I didn't.
No, actually, this is for you, Leatherman. Middle.
What?
Is that
Yeah. The other son did.
one of those bandanas on? They're up in the upper clubhouse.
I told him.
They'll throw him a little bit.
Fill up.
4778.
Thank you.
They're Winchesters. Stage 3, A Sweet Life. We all know Leatherman led a full life but was taken way too soon. We can hope we can achieve half of what he has accomplished and experienced. With all of his ailments, including leukemia, he fought off like a true cowboy and seldom showed any of his afflictions. He will be dearly missed. Starting procedure, standing in front of the bars. Rifle loaded with 10 rounds is staged on this right table. 2 pistols loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered. Shotgun staged on a horse to the left. Signify ready by saying any line of your choice in memory of Leatherman. Whatever you come up with. At the beep, pick up rifle and engage your rifle targets. Shoot 10 shots on 3 targets. However, whatever order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 if you want to do that.
Are we shooting through the bars or on
Through the bars. Yep.
Gamer?
However, Cowboy Kid can probably come around to the side. If you can't reach from way over here. Shoot 10 shots on 3 targets, at least 3 rounds each. Whoa, 10 shots at 3 targets, at least 3 rounds each. Should have kept reading. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, wherever. Okay, so however you want to do it, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. However you want to do it. Make rifle safe on table, move to the jail window, engage the whirly gig, use second pistol on whirly gig with putting any extra rounds in the dump target. Holster, pick up shotgun and engage shotgun targets until down. Proceed to unloading table and show all guns clear to the preceding shooter. Remain there till the following.
Shotgun or just a 2?
Just the 3.
Okay. Is that through the windows again or on the side?
If you can shoot through the window, shoot through the window.
If you're that short, you could shoot on the outside.
And take this one from me.
What?
And take this one from me. It should be right on.
All right, 3 spotters. 1, 2, and 3. When you're ready, say a line, I'll give you standby. Any line.
Yep. I'm just sticking here. Gonna miss you, Wayne.
All right, standby.
Shoot the other ones.
It had to be
3 on
3.
each.
You had to shoot it 3 times.
That's all right, keep going.
Open your rifle.
Open your action.
There's one left in there.
Yeah, it
I
didn't
think
fire.
there is.
No, don't holster it.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, Rocky.
Go!
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I got 59 is 0.
Spotters. Okay.
That 3?
If you don't quit beating me, I'm gonna quit hauling you.
Stand by.
If you don't quit beating me, I'm going to quit hauling you. So you used to always say to Lily.
Over to the
The big window?
Which window was
This one.
And
I want to read you. I shot through the bars.
Did you shoot clean?
Maybe they're a little dim again, you don't look.
Oh, I had 2 that didn't.
one of them you hit.
You were.
Yeah, you only missed one.
hit it.
That's it.
That was a hit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
I
it's not
talked you into
12.
trying to
It's
video
not
me
12,
with my phone.
not anymore.
I can try, yeah. Show me 7. I'm an
No,
idiot.
he
Show me what
just, whatever's left on the whirligig, that's.
Go up.
up.
Get it up higher.
Theoretically, it's pretty straightforward.
But you just count the 3 that are still
How
there.
many misses do you have here? 2, 86.
Leatherman, we miss you like a father.
Stand by.
That was the most powerful gun until 357 came out. Yeah, wow, that thing. I would say it's about 8 pounds hanging out there on your arm. That's a lot. That's a long way out there. It's not accurate. Oh, God, no.
They sting. They really sting sometimes. You know, I got them on warfarin too.
Yeah, I'm looking away from there. I'm not staring at you.
I thought maybe I was my. Thought it was
No,
unbelievable. Drawing your eye. That's the second time I got hit.
60, 12.
Miss you, won't forget you. I'll hold the damn star for me.
Stand down. Gotta get to the bell ring. She checked it. She just left.
Oh, yours are done.
Yeah, mine's been left. You do. Now you're. Oh.
Through the windows.
$49.95 and clean. I just want to remind everybody.
You're a good man, Leatherman, no matter what anybody says about you.
Stand by.
Like somebody else drive.
I think we got to count that miss on that dump target being hit the other.
I'm the young guy here. I guess you are, huh? Yeah, I mean, if you look around at the age of all the teachers, I'm the young guy. No, it's in there. Oh, really? With his son. Nice to get just like anything else. If you can't get, you guys involved, the older people are going to die off, and then down there. Yeah, I see it. I do.
If I could get my dad's in balance, I know he'd come up and do it too. Yeah, this is a lot smaller than the first event. The first event we did was very competitive, you know. And, it was nice because my dad was actually offered a black powder, and they already had a Henry ready. So he was not being offered, you know, you can use mine if you want, you know, or people are being really considerate and helpful for the first time.
Right.
So,
And that tells you about the group of people.
yeah, it's nice.
This point does. I mean, you go through IDPA,
Is that whole different organizations of it?
that's,
Oh, those guys, yeah.
all the race guns.
There.
Miss you, Leatherman.
Stand by.
Good to go.
You're jammed up, aren't you? Same, probably the same thing I got.
You shooting, or do you want some pictures of the target?
Don't table with your pistols loaded.
And they were always,
Nice.
where I was shooting, they weren't.
That works on there, don't it?
Holy
Wow,
smokes.
Oh, that dirty dog. Did he go down?
No.
Nope.
Ah, shoot.
You really put a spin on those puppies.
You know, if I were you, I'd empty that shotgun on it.
Really?
That's why they're so freaking big and funky. Yeah, you got Nubitar?
I got Nubitar.
There you go.
Yeah, didn't you say if we had more shells, we could use a shotgun on it?
No.
No.
We got two
Fleet Farm.
at 89.58.
And 2 left on clearance.
And I can see if there's powder, and I can always, I know if I don't,
That's how you do it. Get a chance to do it.
yeah.
That's all you get.
Nice save.
$43.98. Spotters say clean.
Stage 4. Gunfight at the saddle shop. When Leatherman worked as a saddle maker and assisting a customer to unload one of his horses, the horse looked to the right, shifted to the left, the horse knocked Leatherman into the gate, causing injury to his hip. Do you think that stopped him? Doubt it. He was a tough old coot, and that was when he was young. Starting position, standing to left of the corral opening, in here. Rifle loaded with 10 rounds and staged on table in corral opening, left or right. Shotgun staged on far right table.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That is.
Far right.
The far right table over here.
Got too many tables.
Too many tables. Pistol loaded with 5 rounds each and holstered. Signify ready by saying the line, I ain't going down without a fight. At the beep, draw first pistol and engage pistol targets in a Frosty Bill sweep. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Draw second pistol and repeat. Move the rifle in the corral opening, engage the rifle targets in a Frosty Bill sweep. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Make rifle safe on table. Move to the far right table, grab shotgun and engage shotgun targets until down. Carry empty shotgun, muzzle up to far left table and engage the 3 shotgun targets. Make safe. Stage complete.
Shooter understand the course of fire, or should I ask?
I think I got it.
It's going to be a procedure. Okay, there's no lines on this one, is there?
Yep, I ain't going down without a fight.
Okay, stand by. in there? Nope, nope.
Mostly around the ground.
Oh.
Shoot your,
I
shoot
shoot
your
right from here.
Last month I had a little problem. I had loaded
Sabotage.
Oh, I sabotaged on the shelf too. What happened was I loaded some ammo last month and I powder hopper set to the right thing. So it was actually for a little pearl gun. I loaded I shot it.
You can handle
Oh, I should
6382.
I took it all apart. Now I got missing.
How did you eject?
He ejected 3.
I used those shells once and I'll
I
tell
ain't
you
going
what, I
down
was
without a
so
fight.
See, and even these
trap on or
And by.
trapped them in the marsh.
Yeah.
just over 1,000.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. These are really.
Yeah.
We
Last time when
I don't have to have this one
Three
shown.
times.
Brought the whole damn thing out and just pissed all the bullets away today.
You're sweet, Frosty. You gotta get it clean.
I'm kind of big. I pull them apart, go through that shit.
Very good.
I don't really want to waste the primer just for the hell of it, so I'll probably pull them all.
shot and and double A wide.
Left circle first. One time.
Well, I started loading, using another box of that
3 on the center.
batch. I'm done. I'm just going to pick what I have and I'm going back home and start shooting it all apart. That'll be the project for this week before next week. But I won't be able to make it and I'll be working. I was lucky to get off this weekend. I was going to dial is what it is. That's what I ended up doing. The boss says, I take it, he says, if I try to post you to work, you won't be here tomorrow. You know it. I said, there's a thing called a telephone. He said, yeah, I know. And he said, I know that's important to you. So he said, he said, I'm not even too mad about it. I said, I appreciate it.
Muzzle up.
One more stage, yeah.
I just wish there was a way I could tell if there's powder in
Where's the camera, Dawn?
casing.
Huh?
Where's the video?
You can shake them, but I don't know if you can hear it.
Right there. Yeah.
Battery went dead on mine.
Ah.
An x-ray machine, just lay it all out there.
It's up in the air.
I thought about doing it by weight, but I
It's
can't do
actually a
that
neat
either.
idea.
Not all bullets are exactly the same.
10614.
Giving you the ESPN view.
Not going down without a fight. Get reimbursed for that receipt.
I've been checked already with the therapy over there. Oh. I was over there.
You know, you could. I mean, there's a lot more of the women's that go out. But you could bag it up and bring it to the after you could bring it to a rip and shoot and put it on other tables in there too.
Yeah.
If you come next week. Yeah, I want to look at it and see what sizes. Shotgun to the right.
That pump action.
I got one.
Still up.
Go up.
Got 7240 and a pair. Stand by.
Normally with tight group, I've always been. Yeah. It gives you that mouse mark sound like, you know, it gives you a pop. It must be, tight group must be
I got one of them. Gotta get it out of Lassiter's getting fixed up.
Yeah.
So he's supposed to get it to me sometime this month. Mine's the Taurus.
Well, then you're going to be competing against me with yours, huh? Set up for you just dump it on it. That's fun.
55:04 and 2.
I ain't going down without a fight.
Stay by.
When you're done, make sure you stay up.
I did shower and put on deodorant this morning.
Same thing.
Not that I think it's doing any good right now.
No. That's good. Shotgun.
What nap? Quick nap?
That's a lot of shotgun targets. Who wrote this? Me?
So you can lay down.
Still up.
Still up.
If I did, I would not be able to get up.
No, you get up. We just have to.
Yeah, flip it over. When I was sick, I was pretty low.
$87.67.
Cowboy Kid loading. Frosty Bill in the hole.
He had the ones he ejected. So
Where's my counter?
I think it was middle pistol target, but I can't remember.
Oh.
Yeah, it was the third shot of the
Okay, hands off the gun. Downrange.
Yesterday when I was
Fourth shot. Yeah, that's what I thought, yeah.
stand straight up.
Yep. They're notorious for that.
Counting? Counting? Counting.
They were reloaded so often at the end. I got some new grass from the wets and pretty open boots.
You put your current one.
I got 100 ankles.
Okay, shooter ready?
I got mine and load them last night.
Stay in line, I'll give you standby.
See, ain't going down without a fight.
Stand by.
Where? Oh, good for you, Taylor.
Hit himself.
50 that don't
Right,
Ram shotgun. Shoot the ram.
I'm actually doing better shooting duels than I am shooting.
One or two in a peak.
Oh yeah?
Two and a
Concentrating a little bit harder?
No, I just have a better.
I got a slit right behind you here if you don't know.
Okay.
5732.
There once was a man named Wayne who came to the chutes with a cane. In a blink it would change to a chair, and he had comfort everywhere. We will all miss Leatherman Wayne. Sitting at table with all guns staged on table. Rifle loaded with 10 rounds, pistol loaded with 5 rounds each, shotgun open and empty. Shotgun ammo can be staged on table. Signify ready by saying this chair is comfy. At the beep, pick up first pistol and engage pistol targets in a Nevada sweep. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Set down, pick up second pistol and repeat. Pick up rifle and engage rifle targets in a double tap Nevada sweep. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Make rifle safe on table, grab shotgun and shoot the swingers. Once each. Alternating. Questions? Let's go.
That's pretty
Sugar
simple.
Mortis shooting first, Cowboy Kid loaded.
Thank you for watching, Donna. We do love Leatherman. We really do miss him. We're sorry that you couldn't have made it to the shoot, but from me, Polish Pistolero, and Sunrise Rider, and the rest of the Crystal River Gunslingers, our prayers and thoughts are with him and for you. I hope you appreciate this video, and I hope you enjoy it. I know it's a little lengthy. I'm sorry, but I wanted to get as much of the activity that we had for you to enjoy as if you were there. Again, have a nice life, and we'll talk to you again. Hope to see you sometime. Talk to you again. Polish Pistolero and the Crystal River Gunslingers. Goodbye.